Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive analysis of Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on the 20th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed examination. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any pivotal updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 9.02%. This amounts to an average loss of 0.82% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $207.70 be breached, it would indicate a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 8.71% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -11.44% and +2.47%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 32.6%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary between 30.16% and 69% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $278.67 and $361.82. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price ended at $214.10 on Thursday after losing 0.53%. The Apple stock price fell by 0.53% on the last day, Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, from $215.24 to $214.10. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.48% from a day low at $212.22 to a day high of $217.49. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 9.02% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign since volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 5 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares bought and sold for approximately $10.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $260.10, and the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 17.69%, or $46, below the 52-week high of $260.10, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple is currently navigating a challenging landscape, with 2 significant headlines impacting its stock outlook. First, a federal lawsuit has emerged, alleging false advertising related to Apple Intelligence features. Such legal troubles can lead to increased scrutiny and potential financial penalties, affecting short-term investor confidence. Simultaneously, Apple faces mounting losses in its streaming division, Apple TV Plus, reportedly losing over $1 billion annually. With Apple TV Plus being the only unprofitable segment, executives are now scrutinizing its costs. This could prompt restructuring or strategic shifts, which investors will closely monitor for signs of recovery or further losses. Moreover, Apple's leadership shakeup aimed at revamping its Siri virtual assistant could signal the company's dedication to bolstering its artificial intelligence capabilities. By placing Mike Rockwell, a key figure from the Vision Pro project, in charge of Siri, Apple aims to reverse the assistant's performance issues. This bold move, if successful, could enhance Apple's competitive edge in artificial intelligence, positively impacting long-term growth. Investors will be keen to observe how Apple manages these challenges in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple a grade of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, UBS assigned Apple a grade of reduce with a recommendation to upgrade. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Goldman Sachs assigned Apple a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a grade of hold with a recommendation to downgrade. Also on that day, Jefferies assigned Apple a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen by 2.11%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may influence near-term developments. The Apple stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. As the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $232.40. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $213.74. A breakout above the long-term average would signal another buy, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative indication. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $214, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $5.27 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.48%. Throughout the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.61. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $222.64. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $214. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On February 25th, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. On February 25th, 2025, Ronald D. Sugar also made an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. On February 25th, 2025, Monica C. Lozano followed suit with an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. On February 25, 2025, Arthur D. Levinson made an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock units. On February 25, 2025, Andrea Young conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 24.259. In total, insiders purchased 1,692,264 shares, while selling 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of March, we anticipate Apple will open higher by approximately 0.5 and begin trading at $214.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With kind regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.